After reviewing week four's resources and reading materials, I have decided that it would be best suited for my research project and to properly address the research problem and store data and code data to use a CQDAS as opposed to a manual storage method. The reason for choosing this is simple. In the process of collecting data, coding data, there is often a process of revision and going back and having to either replace data that was improperly coded or stored, things of that nature. A CQDAS would help me with that, would make that less time consuming because the software will store the draft and will allow me to revise it in a more effective and time consuming manner as opposed to using a manual method. So, thus, based on that reason, I'm choosing to use a CQDAS, and my preference as of now, after the readings, is Nudist.